And when we talk about the Kubernetes, as we discussed, it is running on the port 6443, right? And everything is automatically managed. So when a client is making a request, it goes to the master node, and this master node communicates with the worker nodes to get the containers. And these containers will have proxy service, which allows its end users to have a communication. Network establishment happens here. Okay, so this is a typical flow of requests that happen in the Kubernetes. But in order to run these Kubernetes engine or Kubernetes service, we need Docker service to be understood first, right? So containers have to be created and all that. So let's install Docker first. And very important with respect to the containers, it will automatically have the Linux operating system. Each container will have dedicated Linux operating system pre-installed, right? So we don't have to set up an operating system, and all the dependencies that are required for your application to run will always be packaged together in the image. So all those dependencies will also be set up onto your container, right? And that will ensure that your application is up and running. Okay, so that's basically how your